To support our clients in the agricultural sector, SKT has developed cutting-edge solutions. Our digital solutions help to capture, store, manage, transform, visualize, use, and archive data. These solutions include geospatial data collection, GIS system integration, custom web development, mobile app development, data management, and dashboard reporting. Our platform aids the management of plantation at the block or parcel level by digitizing the parcel or blocks and making it available on the platform. Information on each parcel or block are attached and displayed by a click on each. Our GeoWeb platform is able to display the following and many more. High-resolution imagery, topography of a farm, which includes terrain models, slope, and contour, infrastructures on the farm, soil map, tree count, and waterlogged areas. Display of terrain model and contours of the plantation for irrigation management and other terrain analysis. Using machine learning, algorithms are used for tree count to help in forecast or estimation of yield and also identify missing trees. It is also used to calculate the tree density and the optimum tree count for each parcel. The platform also has tools for analysis such as distance measurement, selection of trees, or other features to display its attributes. The platform has a dashboard which helps display information in a graphical format such as predicted versus actual production. We are also able to develop mobile and web applications for registration to create databases for farms and farmers to aid easy management.